Did you know you have to pay money in order to claim your tokens from the Telegram airdrops? And if you don't transfer the requested assets to your crypto wallet, you simply lost the tokens you mined in the projects. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are diving into a crucial topic for anyone claiming airdrops on Telegram: gas fees. Whether it's Hamstercombat token, Blum token, pixelverse, or any other airdrop, understanding gas fees is essential. Gas fees are the costs you pay to process transactions on the blockchain you want to claim your tokens. These fees can vary significantly depending on the network that the airdrop is using. For example, claiming tokens during peak times can be much more expensive than during off-peak hours. These can eat into your profits from different airdrops. Imagine you've mined pixelverse tokens for more than 2 months, and in 2 days, the project will give you your tokens. They've selected me, for example, as an early adopter, and they want to give me 230 pixel tokens in 2 days. But how can I calculate how much of which cryptocurrency should I transfer to my wallet in order to pay the gas fees? First of all, each project has to announce how much is the estimated gas fee for the transaction. Second, each blockchain has its own gas fee, and we can find it out by knowing which blockchain is Pixelverse project using. For example, Pixelverse is on Ethereum blockchain, and we have to have Ethereum in our wallet in order to get our tokens. But most of the other projects like Hamster or Memefi is on Ton blockchain, and we have to have Toncoin in order to pay the gas fee. I'll share some quick tips on how to minimize these fees and make the most of your airdrop claims, but before, let me tell you something quickly. These days, most of the content creators in airdrop world are exploiting your emotions with fake prices and fake news. And as soon as you claim your first airdrop and faced with truth, you'll get frustrated and hopeless, because you were hoping to get $10,000 but you got only $10, and you probably leave all of the airdrops ASAP. So I proudly say I never lied to you in exchange of like or views. You just need to trust me and subscribe my channel, and I promise I always tell you the truth about this project. So let's get back to work. 1. Choose off-peak times. Gas fees are lower when the network is congested. Try claiming tokens during early mornings or weekends. 2. Use a gas tracker. Tools like ETH gas station or GasHow can help you find the best times to make transactions by showing current gas prices. 3. Set a gas limit. If you're familiar with adjusting gas settings, set a lower gas limit immediately. Follow these tips to save on gas fees and make the most out of your airdrop claims. In the next video, I teach you a way that you can claim your gas fee for free by participating in a new airdrop that gives you Toncoin. So don't forget to ring the notification bell, and good luck!